Kijing Kumar, kanong kakabu kabakraw, yakan sorka, ba kan kier na kijing kitkli. Ka sorkar kan general command shikadeye, bala na kijing kikot no tanga kijing plumar. But on katap no ru ya kimat kibadei banikren kibadei banikun kibakaya sorkar kan hapun juba. Hakaba kibriu kinikren no yakiwipat kibenta kum kijinge kijing shakti kijing written sim kijing penren kibami na kini kijing plumar hakijing yaki tikumta kanong kababha shibon laring ipin kina bagi jeki kibangi plong pasya sorkar kinum thau jingkumar namar kanong rukalat kakabu ikiriushim kabu bakin pinmi jingkumar kelabat penput nam yaki bakhot yaki jingki namla ru klem dai kuble kerpang yaki nongelam jongka kasi students union ki ba kloy ban penpau kumba kira penpau haki kot kubor baki pedeng ya kijing kentho kijing wodong hagabri bat kani kijing ja kaplami hakani kasi kabakila penong ya kijing ki wat lada kela penshai na du si baningkong ba kijing ki jengki kanong kabajai jai ya penrem juru ya kibriu kibashim kabu ban pemi jingkumar hakani kijing ki but kadauhi kabapano bakini ke jing klumar kami kadai namar ba ka sorkar kala bakla bat kamshim na penbiang ikibor bahara ki babiang wat hadin bakil tip bagandon kani ke jeki lar ka sorkar kan jin la penbiang ikibor bahara kinong shim kabu kinumi ola penpeni ikijing klumar akajuk opon penrem jur yaki seng kali kamai kibana asam kibala pelong yaga jengki persya yaga nigi jingja but bakata ga jengki jengki kalong penban kum jeng penibor kapamia hap dor bat kai kablaja hakani kalong ba ka jengi kini kalong ka khobor kabang kwa manai kani kapor kabamenta. This is Pardon Miller Saimat, President of the Voice of the People Party. In this video, I would like to give a kind of an advisory statement as far as the movement and protest against the government is concerned. And I would like to begin with a question. And the question is, why non-violence form of agitation and demonstration is far more better than any other kind of agitations? The reason is that when we choose for a violent means of protest, we should remember that it will always benefit the government. The government will be very happy to see that every agitation turns violent, so that it will get the opportunity to hide behind the law and order situation. Real problems will be swept under the carpet, and people will no longer discuss about genuine demands that the government should address. They will instead discuss about problem arises out of the agitation, fear that grips the minds of the people, condemnations, so on and so forth. it will also give a chance to vested interest to create problem and thereby give a bad name to the organizer and the state as a whole. I would also like to appreciate the leadership of the Khasi Students' Union for their maturity when they clearly stated in the media that they are willing to accept criticisms in connection with what happened on their protest day, despite the fact that they had made a very clear announcement that their rally protest will be a peaceful one. And also at the same time, I would like to condemn the anti-social elements who took advantage of the situation and create trouble, leading to the breakdown of law and order in the state. Another point that I would like to mention is the failure of the government to provide adequate security and to beef up security on the protest day. And I would also like to condemn the Commercial Vehicle Association of SAM, who have reacted disproportionately to what happened in Meghalaya. Thank you.